Welcome back to CAD Engineering, another tutorial. Today's day I'd like to explain and create the helical gear mechanism with SolidWorks. So let's jump into the main tutorial. Now go to the assembly. Cancel. Make sure graphics area color I would like to plain white. So now go to the design library ANSI metric and power transmission gear. There are different types of gear available. Your SolidWorks own library here. Just drag and drop, put it to graphics area. Now it is work, and I would like to module number selected to 4 and right hand helix angle 45. That means there are two different types of helical gear are assembly with 45 and 45. There are 90-degree helical gear assembly with animation. Face white 70, nominal shaft diameter 30 inside shaft diameter 30, and show teeth rectangular key here. So that's it. Again another part here. Click OK. This it is fixed. Make sure move command. So just click float. There are both are move. Activate. So now go to the mate. Right angle and click this face. Make sure diameter length 35 because our gear 70 millimeter face white. Make sure front plane and view the temporary axis. Okay, click the axis, make sure coincident, and top plane, click temporary axis, click OK. This now this let's do for this part. Click front plane, space, distance 35. Make sure Philip dimension. Now it is perfect. Again click right angle, temporary axis, click OK. Again top plane, distance to this part 75.44. This is the out of teeth diameter. No. Again click distance because our gear plug into this gear, so little bit increase this distance like 42 millimeter. That is perfect. isometric position. That's perfect. So let's jump to the again mate. Oh, before, make sure the helical gear tooth cut sketch visible. Now it is visible. Temporary axis. Now no need to temporary axis visible. Make sure gear mate, mechanical mate gear. Out of teeth diameter visible 75.44. Make sure another 75.44. Reverse direction. Now it is work properly. Now unvisible the two cut axis with this sketch unvisible. Click this. Now it is work. Make sure color high glasses. I like dark gray high glass plastic. Now go to the motion study, basic animation. Click the rotary motor. Click OK. RPM. There are 10 RPM. And frame, make sure 50. Now it is calculate. Now it is work properly. Now it is work properly. Thanks for watching. If you want to more video and more project, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.